we will see how forecasting of net income and cash flows will be done for a company or any firm. So generally this net income and cash flow forecasting is done from the forecasting of future sales. Okay, for shorter horizons what happen, a top down approach is being used. Okay, so here like GDP growth, future GDP growth is being taken from the outside research agencies or inside economics group. Okay, and here a historical relationship is been established between the industry sales and the GDP growth. Okay, and if the subject firms market share is going to remain the same, then the industry sales growth is going to be same, or the company's growth is going to be same as that of the industry's growth. Okay, and for simple forecasting model, generally this trend adjusted measures like of profitability, like operating margin, EBT margin, net margin are used. Okay, but for complex models, each item of income statement and balance sheet, their growth prospects will be seen and it will be same as that of the revenue growth. Okay, so that is about the forecasting of the income statement. And for a cash flow statement, the analyst has to see the sources and the uses of cash. Okay, and here the most important items are working capital, increase in the working capital, the capital expenditure. Okay, and the issuance and repayment of debt, and then repurchase and issuance of stock. Okay, and in a first pass model, what happens here, the cash requirement in the future will be indicated in that model, and how it is going to be met by taking borrowing in the future period. So that is how the cash flow this forecasting will be done. That is about it for the today's session. Thank you very much.